Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here. So this is going to be really short and sweet, but I wanted to show you some cool things that you can start using right now, just in case you didn't know about them. So first off, if you are in either Gmail or you are in another third-party application, maybe via your browser, you can take any of those files and you can download them. They should show up in the bottom of your screen in a download bar as mine has. However, if it doesn't, maybe you've got your browser setting to automatically open up those files with a certain program. Here's what you can do to rectify this. You can go to the upper right corner of your Chrome browser and hit that little ellipses icon, the three dots. Go to your settings. To the left of the screen, you're going to go to the advanced option, and then just below that you should see downloads. Now underneath where mine says ask where to save each file before downloading, you'll see one that says open files automatically with. Over to the right side of that, you will see a little box that says clear. Click on that, close the window, and I always recommend refreshing your screen. Now once you do that, you should see that file appear in that download bar. Why is that kind of cool? Because here's what you can do with it. Click on Compose. We can take that file, drag and drop it into our email right from that download bar. Another thing that you can do is maybe you need to add that file from a third-party program to your Google Drive. Take that file, drag and drop it into your Google Drive or into the specific folder that you would like to add that file to. Other things that you could do, you could actually minimize your window here and drag and drop it to your desktop. So a couple of quick things that you can do with the download, drag and drop aspect. Next, have you ever been in a Google Drive file and it just seems like it's small in terms of the space that you're working with? Well, you can correct that and help yourself out by doing a quick one button push. Hit your F11 key. That will get rid of those tabs up at the bottom and put you into full screen mode. And you can either hit F11 again or escape, and then it will bring those tabs back. So it's a quick little hack just to give you a little bit more room to work with your files. And that works with all of your Google Drive files, regardless of Microsoft, Excel, PowerPoint, Word. It works with your PDFs. Anything that you're visiting and using in Google Drive as a file. All right, next. Third, here is another really cool piece regarding Google Drive as well. Have you ever had multiple files that you want to share out with either a single individual or with multiple people? You can actually share out multiple files at once with one level of permission to a single person or a group. The key is use your control button on your keyboard. So I'm going to select, and select just 3 random files. Then I'm going to go to my share button. From there, I'm going to go to the person that I want to share it with. Down at the bottom, you'll see the 3 different files that I've selected. I can also add additional people. But the key is here is that you can only share it with one level of permission at a time. So you do have to kind of be aware of that. But I've just shared 3 files out at once with 2 individuals in one box in one step. So with that, everyone, that is your quick 3 hacks for the day regarding your downloaded files to drag and drop, hide file menu by using that F11 and escape key or F11 key twice, and then you also can share multiple files at once with one level of permission with either an individual or multiple people. Just don't forget to use that control key on your keyboard. Until we meet again, everybody, this is Gary the Google Guy, signing off.